What's up, y'all? It's your girl Takira J, Takira Janae, whatever you want to call it. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are not, just welcome back, girlies. I know it has been a minute since I posted. I was actually trying to wait until I got my camera in because I knew I was gonna get me a camera, and so I was just trying to wait because I was really excited about getting a camera. And y'all, I got the viral Amazon camera that's trending on TikTok right now, and I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. I do not like this camera. The quality is horrible. I'm recording on my phone. This is the camera. The camera is cute and it was a reasonable price. But I guess that's why the quality is bad, because it was a reasonable price. The actual camera that I want is the Canon? The Sony camera. I want the Sony camera. But the camera is like $600, $700, and it's like I don't have that much money to just spend on, you know what I'm saying? Like money to be spending on no camera. I'm sorry. Hopefully one day I will be able to, you know, get that camera, because that is my dream camera. But right now, spending $600, $700 on a camera, it's not in my budget right now. I'm sorry. Sorry, y'all. My daughter keeps interrupting me. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like, the quality. I've seen a lot of people talking about the quality is not that bad, and they lying. But what I am gonna do is just give me a hard drive and just do it like that until I can get the actual camera that I want, because I was trying to go with this camera because I just always wanted an actual camera to vlog. But I got this camera, it's not giving what it's supposed to give and what it said it's supposed to give, so I'm giving it back. It's out. But y'all, like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but that quality is horrible. It's giving very much VHS 1992. It's just not giving. Like, I loved it. I'm so happy that I finally had a camera, but it's just not giving. So it's going back to its original owner. Anyway, back to what this vlog is gonna be. So y'all, this vlog is going to be a wig install vlog. So I got this wig off Amazon. I haven't seen a lot of the girls on TikTok ordering wigs off Amazon. I was like, well, let me try to, you know, because I normally get my wigs off AliExpress, but I said I was gonna try to do Amazon and see how the wigs turn out. The wig I got, I'm gonna just show y'all, because my daughter's birthday is tomorrow. My baby is gonna be 3, y'all. 3. I'm gonna have a 3-year-old. That's crazy. Her birthday party is gonna be this weekend, but her birthday is tomorrow. So I'm trying to have my hair done, because up in this bunny it looks a mess. And yeah, so I'm trying to have my hair done for her party. And yeah, the wig is cute. Like, it's really cute. This is the wig, but it's really cute. It's supposed to be 24 or 26 inches. I can't remember. Yeah. I am going to have to pluck the edges just a little bit. I wanted to bleach the knots, but I'm not no professional hairstylist, so I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm not gonna be, you know what I'm saying? I always, any wig that I get, I put it in myself, but I ain't in all that bleaching the knots. I'm not professionally, you know. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't want to mess up the wig. So this is what it looks like. But what I am gonna do is gonna put some powder on the lace to like help it blend. But this is what it looks like. You know, it's cute. I like it. So what I have is the glue. I have the wig glue right here. Now I was using the Got2b glue because I was starting to like that a little bit better than the actual wig glue, because to me the Got2b glue lays the lace down better than this. But I got the Got2b glue at my mom's house, so I can't get it right now. So I'm gonna use this hot comb, the wax stick. I got this off Amazon, y'all, and it came with 2. It came with one like this, and then one that's like in a little deodorant type container. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, but this is the wax stick that I got, and we're gonna get into this big video.
like dealing with a queen. I just wanna make you feel, make you feel, make you feel. Big boss like $1,000 bill. Keep it real. I just wanna make you feel, make you feel, make you feel. Big boss like $1,000 bill. Or 100 mil. I sure. Big boss, big boss, big boss, big, big boss, big boss, big boss, big, big boss, big boss, big boss, big, big boss, big boss, big boss, big. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly.
Just wanna make you feel, make you feel, make you feel. Big boss like $1,000 bill. Keep it real. I just wanna make you feel, make you feel, make you feel. Big boss like $1,000 bill. 100 mil. I'm sure. Big boss, big boss, big boss, big, big boss, big boss, big boss, big, big boss, big boss.
If y'all hear some music, it is my TV. My son woke up, so I'm trying to keep him entertained so I can finish this vlog. So, sorry. But I'm gonna go in with this Fit Me powder. It is in the shade. It's $3.75. Okay, I don't know how this. I don't know if it's Java. I don't. It's JAVA. Okay, but I'm gonna go in and put some on my front lace, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off. And yeah.
Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly.
Okay, so I've used my powder and dabbed some on my lace to blend it in, well, to make the lace the color of my skin, basically. And so what I'm about to do is cut the lace. I'm trying to find my scissors, y'all, and I can't find them. So I'm about to cut the lace, and I'm gonna try to put a little bit more glue around here just to make sure it's secure on there before I cut it. So yeah, and after that, once I cut the lace and all of that, I'm going to get my wand and put some curls in my hair. So
I yawn.
So I've got my brushing my comb. I'm gonna comb my hair out. I've let this sit for been 30 minutes. I let it sit on there again. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to comb this out, brush it out. And so far, I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend.
I yawn.
Definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay. On it's on 374. Don't talk about how I'm gonna cut this lace because I can't find my scissors, so I'm just gonna have to go open up. Okay. y'all, so this is the wig. I got to go take care of some stuff, so I'm about to get ready to go. So y'all, this is the end of this video. I hope y'all liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Let me know if y'all want me to do more wig installs. This is my first one. I've always wanted to do one, but like I said, I'm not a professional wig installer, so I don't want y'all talking junk about me, but I really like this one. It's really cute. So like I said, I'm gonna leave the link down below for the wig, and yeah. So my next vlog, I'm trying to think of what I want to do. I think I want to do like a I think I want to do like a hygiene, like feminine makeup, not makeup, feminine hygiene product vlog, because I got my stuff. I bought some stuff from Walmart, y'all, and I have not opened it because I've been waiting to do that vlog. So that's what I'm going to do. It's probably gonna be my next vlog. And then I also got some inventory coming in for my business, and y'all, I got some stuff coming in, y'all. So that's gonna be another vlog. So your girl's gonna be posting. It's gonna be posting, you know. So just be on the lookout for those, and I will talk to you girlies later.